worth of remote viewing data and data from a wide variety of psychic experiments, Ganspells, Zener cards, all these things where they were studying ordinary people to see if they were psychic in the laboratory. And he found out, what he was looking for was to see if there was any universal factor in time that would affect people's psychic accuracy. And what he found was that when the Earth, when you doing the experiment, the psychic work, are on the Earth aimed at the center of the galaxy, so that your point on that globe of the Earth, you imagine the Earth like an orange in your hand and you're sitting on top of that orange, and then you point yourself towards the galactic center. At those times, people's psychic ability increases by almost 400%. They get 400% more accurate on these tests. So what does that tell us? That tells us that your position in the galaxy directly affects consciousness. You with me?
I'm with you, I think.
Okay. So what this really shows is that the galactic center is a source of energy that's very powerful, that affects consciousness, so that when you're aimed at the center of the galaxy, it's like there's a radio beacon streaming at you, and you're picking up that wave, and it's affecting how you think.
Somehow we're a threat, that somehow we're going to put in jeopardy this beautiful little blue-green ball that's just afloat around the sun. The planet has been through a lot worse than us. Been through all kinds of things worse than us. Been through earthquakes, volcanoes, plate tectonics, continental drift, solar flares, sunspots, magnetic storms, the magnetic reversal of the poles, hundreds of thousands of years of bombardment by comets and asteroids and meteors, worldwide floods, tidal waves, worldwide fires, erosion, cosmic rays, recurring ice ages, and we think some plastic bags and some aluminum cans are going to make a difference? The planet isn't going anywhere. We are. We're going away. Pack your shit, folks.
So it has a stimulating and programming effect upon DNA, just like it has every other time that this has happened. Stages of it in which you'll see kids being born that are highly telepathic, like myself, that have highly developed intuitive abilities. Some of them are going to be able to do telekinesis very dramatically.
Will this be a slow evolution, David, or will it occur 2012,
well,
bang, here we go?
It's already happening, but I believe in 2012 there's going to be like a sudden major shift. And the DNA evolution is a very important part of that. Because, again, we got to remember, this is not something we're just hanging out over the line talking about. This is something that's been happening at least 10 times in a row, like a clock, every 26 million years. And all the things that are going on throughout the solar system suggest the same conditions that were present when it's happened in the past.